John Karl is here right now. Let's go into more detail on that from the president. Impeach the credibility of Michael Cohen.
Absolutely. They're going to say he is a liar, he is a fraud, he is a committed perjurer, and he is the key to their case, and you cannot trust his credibility.
Meanwhile, you'll see the prosecutors will say he was lying for Donald Trump.
Well, he was his lawyer. and the argument is that, look, $35,000 payments, these were monthly retainers, and they will also make the case that at the end of the day, hush money, catch and kill schemes, they will argue this is routine for somebody who is very wealthy, simply trying to protect their reputation.
What's not routine is trying to further a presidential campaign sitting as a defendant in a courtroom.
No, this is, I mean, come on, George, this is incredible. He's going to be stuck there as he was during jury selection while others talk about him and while you hear disparaging testimony. He was so frustrated last week. Even at the temperature in the courtroom, you heard him go on and on about how it was too cold, it was freezing in there. This is a guy who is used to being in charge of everything, who can't even control the thermostat in the courtroom.
Meantime, he's also spending an awful lot of money with his lawyers, but also raising it at the same time off of the case.
Yeah, as much as he's complaining, and it really is bothering him. I mean, you can see it, and I hear it from the people who are with him every day. He is making this his campaign, both in terms of the messaging, I am a victim, they're out to get me because they're really out to get my supporters, and he is raising money over, you know, I mean, it has helped his fundraising tremendously, and every day you see more appeals from him directly tied to this.
Big day on Thursday at the Supreme Court, those arguments over presidential immunity, and we heard from Liz Cheney overnight.
Yeah, Liz Cheney essentially writing what was basically an open letter to the Supreme Court. And by the way, Thursday's Supreme Court hearing on the issue of whether or not Donald Trump has absolute immunity for what he did as president is the week's most important legal development. And Liz Cheney is saying that the Supreme Court, if they delay, if they don't act quickly on this, they could prevent the public from ever hearing the evidence that's been developed in that case.
And that's the real point right now. It's almost certain, all but certain, that they're going to say the president is not, any president is not immune. But the question is, will voters, get to have the trial before the election?
Yeah, and if they, Liz Cheney's point is, if this trial doesn't happen before the election, first of all, voters won't have that evidence. But if Donald Trump's elected, you may never see this case. And he may never, the person who was responsible for January 6th may never be held to account for it.
John Karl, thanks very much.